You know what? Today I want to show you one of my favorite cocktails. It's called the Man O' War, and some friends here in Asheville told me about it. It's so simple, even I can make it, and I'm not a pro. All you need is fresh strawberries, hopefully from your garden, if not from the farmer's market. Just cut the end off, they've been washed. Drop it in the cup there. There we go. Okay. Fresh basil. This is from my garden. I can grow basil. A leaf of that, and put it down in here. And then I've just got a muddler. I've also used all sorts of things, you know, like a spatula handle or anything, but this just happens to be a muddler. And I'm going to muddle these strawberries with the basil. So just mash them up. You don't have to pulverize it. In fact, you don't want to bruise the basil too badly. Okay? Now, one thing I did learn from my bartender friends is that you always put the least expensive ingredients in first. So lemonade is pretty inexpensive. This brand's a nice brand. And I'm going to do equal parts lemonade to equal parts Troy & Sons Oak Reserve. So we're going to pour that in like that. And then I'm going to get the Oak Reserve and I'm going to pour it in. This is so simple, and I can promise you everyone loves it in the summer. There we go. Now, what I do is I'm going to add some ice. You know, you could get fancy. You could have a big fat ice cube, or you could have crushed ice. And because I'm not wanting to wash too many things, I just use my muddler to stir this up good. There you go. And if you would like, you can garnish with a piece of basil on top. And there you have your little Man O' War. And it is delicious.